Hey there, welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing. In this video, we're answering your questions about sustainability, how we apply it in our operations, in our campaigns, and how it benefits your brand. Let's take a look. How does Ferrer Digital Marketing contribute to sustainability in its operations? Sustainability is part of everything we do. We reduce paper use by digitizing documents, use renewable energy in our offices, and run internal recycling programs. We also encourage our team to choose public or eco-friendly transportation whenever possible. Small actions, big impact. How is sustainability incorporated into our digital marketing strategies? We work with brands that care about the planet and help them tell that story. From clean energy to organic products, we highlight eco-conscious initiatives in our campaigns. Because promoting sustainability isn't just good for the planet, it's good for your brand. What is the impact of Ferrer's sustainable campaigns? They drive real change. Our sustainable campaigns raise awareness, inspire smarter consumer choices, and promote a more eco-friendly lifestyle. And while they deliver results for our clients, they also move the conversation forward toward a more responsible future. How can clients benefit from Ferrer's sustainable marketing strategies? Clients who embrace sustainability stand out. You'll build a brand image rooted in values, connect with a conscious audience, and often see long-term savings through smarter, more efficient marketing. It's a win for your business and for the world. Want to grow your brand while promoting sustainability? Let's do it together. Reach out to Ferrer Digital Marketing today, or check out the next video in this playlist to see how we help businesses grow with purpose. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing.